ఇక్కడ నేను ఒక 3 వాక్యాలు కోట్ అన్ కోట్ ఆఫ్ బండ్ల గణేష్ చెప్పాలి. కోట్స్ వాట్ హీ కోటెడ్. ఆషికి 2 ఫస్ట్ ప్రెస్ మీట్ అప్పుడు ఆయన ఏం చెప్పారంటే సచిన్ జోషి ఈజ్ మై సోల్ మేట్ అన్నాడు. దట్స్ వాట్ హీ టోల్డ్. ఇట్స్ రికార్డెడ్. హీ సెడ్ సచిన్ జోషి ఈజ్ మై సోల్ మేట్.
You should ask him why did he change it then.
That's the first thing. Second thing, quote unquote, again he said, I don't know Sachin Joshi. I don't know who he is. మూడోది, why would I make a film? Am I mad? నాకేమైనా పిచ్చా, నేను ఎందుకు చేస్తాను, సచిన్ జోషితో సినిమా ఎందుకు చేస్తాను. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద 3 things that బండ్ల గణేష్ said in different times. So what is your take on it?
I mean, these things happen in politics. I've seen it quite often happening in politics, that you know somebody and you deny that I don't know somebody. But in real life, for the first time, coming across something like this was also like a shock to me. But as I said, you always need to keep your strength in place. Bandla Ganesh that I've ever seen of him, ever, was in my second film. While I was working on that script, that I saw him. Ure Pandu was the film that he was a part of. He was one of the 5 actors standing behind. At that time, he's such an irritating character. Even today, he's not changed. See, you can change your habits, but you can't change your nature. So Bandla Ganesh is a compulsive liar. He has a disorder of believing he's like a cat. Cat has a habit of closing the eyes and drinking the milk so that nobody is watching me. So he's that cat who thinks nobody is watching. Everybody is intelligent to understand. That is the time he has a compulsive disorder. He was after me, knowing my background. Please give me something. I can't even feed my family properly. I'm doing small little roles here and there. At that time, I suggested his name to like the same friend of my father's who had a business, established business in Hyderabad, that please see if you can help him. They gave him a distribution at that time, which supported his family, and that's how he started meeting people. They started supporting him and funding him to finance his first film, second film, third film as financiers. That's how his career began. And then probably I've been out of Hyderabad 6, 7, 8 years. I've been busy in Bombay. I've been doing different things. I'm expanding. He came up through his friend, who's also known to me, a trustworthy fellow from Hyderabad, a businessman, a construction company that the gentleman has. He came up to me and he said that this guy is grown so much. He started promoting him. I said, fine, fair enough. I know this man. He's grown up in a very hard way. And that's where he said that I want you to support me. We can become the largest producers in Telugu, because Telugu there are companies that are coming in, but there is not really a consortium of good producers. For me, I had the similar idea. I wanted to produce good films. Telugu industry, I understand. I know the people. That is how I associated, because I didn't have the bandwidth or the time to spend here. That's how I associated with him, funded him. But if the film did not do well in terms of collections, there is a certain commitment you've done. You need to follow those. He started showing his true colors. So when I was his soulmate, while I was funding him to do films, it was all right. The moment he was not living up to his commitments and I am asking him to fulfill his commitment of repayment, he just disappears and starts talking nonsense. So that's the truth behind it.
అయితే ఒక్క విషయం, మీరు ఒక ఇంత గొప్ప బిజినెస్ బ్యాస్టియన్, you've been such a great entrepreneur, you know people, మీ పీపుల్ ఇంతమంది పీపుల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్లో మీరు మీరు ఇన్ని ఇండస్ట్రీస్ నడిపారు. ఒరే పండు సినిమా టైంలోనే యూ వర్ సేయింగ్ జస్ట్ నౌ దట్ యూ కేమ్ టు నో వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ అ మ్యాన్ ఈజ్ హీ. వై ఈజ్ ఇట్ దట్ రిపీటెడ్లీ యూ బీన్ ట్రస్టింగ్ హిమ్? ఎందుకు మరి అంతగా మీరు ప్రతిసారి తనకి బిజినెస్ డీల్స్ ఇప్పించడం అవ్వచ్చు, లేకపోతే తనతో ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేయాలనుకోవటం అవ్వచ్చు, తనతో కాంబినేషన్గా వర్క్ చేయాలనుకోవటం, ఇవన్నీ ఇట్ షోస్ దట్ యూ ఆల్సో ట్రస్టెడ్ హిమ్ ఎట్ సమ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్.
I did. I put in the faith because of another gentleman who's a trusted person in the city of Hyderabad, a construction company that he runs. And if he had faith in him, he says, I'm also investing. Your money is safe. You can also invest. That is the trust in business that you need to put. You need to put in faith, not trust. I don't trust anybody for that matter, except for myself. Trust is something which is a very large word. You have to put in faith. You are doing an interview with me right now, you're putting in your faith and honesty. I'm putting in my faith and honesty. That's how I look at it. So I put in my faith. I did a 5-film deal with him. I funded him for the first 3 films, and when he did not start living up to his commitment, and that's where I said, I don't trust you. You have breached my faith. You need to repay back, and his intentions have changed. His intention was never to do the right thing. His intention was always to do a fraud. And everybody has to pay here. So let's put it this way, I did my actions. I have not done anything wrong. Time will prove. Everybody has to pay for their sin in today's time. He will also pay. Somebody will pay on his behalf. We always say that whatever the father and mother do, the children have to pay. That is belief, general belief system. He will also pay.
For more videos, please subscribe to iDream.
Hi, this is Sai Kripa, Strength Coach. For more videos, please subscribe to iDream.
And more videos, please subscribe to iDream Media.
Hi, I'm Sirisha Reddy, fashion designer. Please subscribe to iDream Media.
For more videos, please subscribe iDream Media.
Please do subscribe to iDream.
హలో అందరికీ నమస్కారం, నేను మీ గెటప్ శ్రీను. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు iDream Media.
iDream అంటే నా కళల ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్న నోరు తిరుగుతలేదు, మీరైతే గంట గుర్తు కొట్టండి.